Nah, like two on my side. I'm tired. Tired, one more piece of gold medal pan them. That means one more time that don't forget hear Jamaica anthem. What them feel like? Gold medal. Oh, people don't know say Yaadman Sports nominator we're there again. We did the 7 recap of the World Championship in Budapest. And as we step on day 1, take our gold medal off our Hoofa chest. SHERICKA again with another gold medal in like 200. You see me? On the whole hand a little bit. Come if I use the aviators to cover my eye. Cause right now Jamaica stop running the people. I fly, we are fly. Cause hear me now, national record, championship record. They feel like SHERICKA they go chill. But my girl said no, me I go hard. But even though she never broke the world record, SHERICKA, you never did a play. But I have a question to ask them, Madam Panty. Are the panties on delay? Can we really hope so the notorious panty forward out for the relay? Cause our winnings we say, and our records we say. But hear me now SHERICKA, now them can walk in your sneaker. Big up yourself, my girl. So why else going up on day 7? So now the women's long jump final, Jamaica will not be missing. Because we have one contestant, Lamara Dixon. Go on through, girl. The man them and the woman them qualify for the 4x100 meter relay. And one thing I gotta say to you, double it. Unfortunately, in a highly contested triple jump final, we never get a medal. But I see Shamika Ricketts and Kimberly Williams are doing the best. So for that, we have to give thanks. Now in the women's 800 meter semi-final, I'm not really sure I'm going to Natalia goal. But Adele Tracy make it through to the final. One Jamaican did half of it. You know fool? And of course, for the 200 for the woman them, when you don't know, so SHERICKA stole the show. But it wasn't the same for Andrew Hudson and the man them 200. He finished with an 8. But don't worry, my brother. Can you see next year, you go great. But you don't know, so the Yaadman Sports nominator may run out pan them and cause be a problem. But just an update. We're going to take a small break pan day 8. But we're going to line up back at the finish line pan day 9. Yeah, you don't know, so the Yaadman Sports nominate and we're gone again. Yeah.